Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about you notice sometime when you import any object like any file format like FBX, OBJ file, STL file or any other file format. When you import any object in the Blender, so you see the actual model is 100x or 10x bigger than their actual size. So today I will show you how to fix this or more. So this issue disturb your workflow. So we import STL file first. Look at this model. This model is 100x bigger than their actual size. So it's simple. So their solution is very easy. You just press Ctrl A and apply Alt transform. Now if we scale this like x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, look their scale values change. Even bevel not working very well. So just simple formula is press Ctrl A and apply Alt transform. I show you other example as well, like add cube, change their location, size, so its scale value also change. So just simple I press Ctrl A and apply Alt transform. Now it's the default size. So that's it. It's very easy. So it's not a big issue. It's very simple. Not a big deal. For more solution like this, and if you face any issue about other topic, just let me know in comments. I will make for video for you. So hit like and subscribe. Thank you.